The infiltration bid has been foiled in the Kuchal area of the Keran sector in North Kashmir. This is in the Kupwara district, and the fierce exchange of gunfire continues. Now, one army Jawan reportedly killed. The operations to flush out the infiltrators continues. Mir Farid joining us with all the details on this. Yes, Farid, what are you learning?
Well, yes, as we have been reporting that the LOC will continue to be hot, considering that there are intel inputs that hundreds of militants who are armed to their teeth are waiting at various launch pads, and that is what is happening now. It's yet another infiltration bid that has been negated by the army in the Kushal area of Keran sector in North Kashmir's Kupwara district. Now, this incident happened late last night. In fact, the operation started when an anti-infiltration unit of the army noticed some abnormal movement on the line of control, and when these people were challenged, they fired at the army, triggering a gunfight. Now, in the first burst of gunfight, one Jawan of the 15 Rashtriya Rifles was injured in the gunfire. He was shifted to Srinagar Base Hospital, where he has succumbed to his injuries, while our sources in the army tell us that the operation, of course, after that gunfire, the militants tried to escape from the spot. Now, right now, operation continues to hunt them down. Now, as we have been saying, that this is a very difficult area, this line of control of Keran. It is full of, in fact, there are dense forests around, and there's a rugged terrain. So that's why that is making the army operation slightly difficult. But they say that they are continuing with the operation, and efforts are on to flush out the remaining militants who are in the area.